Hello, guys. So today on Make Him Love You, we're going to be talking about how to make him miss you like crazy. The first thing you're going to do, and the very first step, is you're going to stop all communication. That means no texting, no calling. Let the man be at peace. Let him hang out with his friends. Let him live his life. How can he miss you if you're always texting him? He can't. So, number one, stop all communication. Let him text you, right? And step two, you gotta play the waiting game. Okay? So, if you're, messaging him and he's playing the waiting game with you, you respond. You do the same thing, right? It's got to go both ways, because if it doesn't, and one person's more interested in the other person, then it'll never work. It's called attraction for a reason, because two people have to be on the same accord of being attracted to each other, right? So that's very important. The third thing is, ladies, you always want to be the first to end the conversation. Okay? That one's more common sense, but I'll break it down. Just be the first to end it. Be the first to end the conversation. Right? Don't keep talking. Because at the end of the day, talk is cheap. It's about the time you spend with each other that really matters. Right? That's what's important. The fourth thing is, go easy on the social media. Don't be sitting here, liking 50 pics and just commenting on every picture. Calm down. It's not that deep. Alright? I know you guys want to express your love, but you gotta take it down. Just take it down. Okay? The sixth thing is, add a little bit of mystery. Add a little bit of surprise, right? For example, if you hit him up every Wednesday at 5 o'clock, he's not gonna be looking forward to it. After a while, maybe the first few times he'll be excited, but then after that, he's not gonna be looking forward to it. Why? Because you're always hitting him up at the same time. You gotta add some spice to it. You gotta add some flavor. Okay? It's important. So, you guys gotta add some surprise, add some spice. You know what I'm saying? Be spontaneous. Hit him up, at a different time than you usually do, right? Things like that. Keep the conversation engaging. A lot of you are too boring. Just too boring, right? And it's not a knock on you. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help. So the seventh thing is, you wanna just leave things behind, right? So, whether it's something small so that, he's reminded of you, just do it. It could be something small. Just do it, right? And number 8, leave him craving for more, right? Whether it's whatever you guys do, and just leave him wanting more, attention, the whole thing, right? And if you're doing these steps, then he's going to, and that's just human nature, right? Number 9, be independent, guys. Don't expect him to pay for every single thing. Be an independent woman. We live in an age today where, quite frankly, women are getting more independent. I mean, you guys are getting more independent, and that's awesome. But you can't, it can't be a one-way street. You gotta be independent. Okay, and 10, don't be afraid to spend time with your friends, right? Go out, spend time with your friends. Like, you don't have to be breathing down his throat every day. Now, spending time with each other is important. Do not get me wrong. Do not get me wrong. I'm not saying don't spend time with him. I'm saying don't be unavailable some days. Be unavailable some days, because then it builds that attraction. Number 11, the overall look, right? Make sure, guys, make sure you're looking the part. And guys, step 12, just be you. And I know it sounds cliche. I know you heard it a million times. At the end of the day, they're gonna like you for you. And if they don't like you for you, then all of these steps that I've just mentioned above, they're not for him. They're not for him. Because if he doesn't like you for you, then he's not for you. That's basically what it is. If he doesn't like you for you, he is not for you. If you have to write that down, if you have to write it on a paper, write it on whatever, because that's the truth. That's the truth. You know your worth. You know what you're capable of, right? You create your own opportunities, right? You create your own opportunities. You create your own destiny. And it's your choice if you want somebody else to be a part of that destiny, somebody else to be a part of those opportunities, somebody else to join you, right? So, at the end of the day, guys, you gotta be yourself, okay? And really, to be honest with you, and to be truthful, you should have been being yourself from the beginning. Don't wait to be yourself, right? Don't sit here and put on a front when you meet this person, and then all of a sudden you decide to be yourself, and then they don't like you, and you want to figure out why they don't like you. You know why they don't like you? It's because you weren't being real from the start. That's why they don't like you. Okay? If you would have been real from the start, then that wouldn't have happened. Alright, guys? So, step 12 is be yourself. And honestly, that step, gets slept on. But at the end of the day, that's what's important. And that's what's going to take you the farthest out of all these steps. Right? Because, if you're putting in this time, you're putting in this effort, and they can't have the decency to text you back, they don't have the decency to give you a call back, they don't have the decency to, to even visit you, want to set up a date. You want to know why? Because it's not that you're not in their league, it's that they're not in your league. I'm going to say that again, I'm going to let that marinate. I said, it's not that you're not in their league, it's that they're not in your league. Okay? So just remember that. Remember that. They're not in your league, guys. So have a good day. So in closing out, these were 12 steps that will help you guys, ladies, succeed, and use them cautiously because they're very powerful. And you guys use these 12 steps, you ladies will be on your way. And I'm really excited for what the future holds for the upcoming content. And you guys should get ready for, because we're gonna be dropping bangers, straight bangers to get you ladies help, right? So and that's why I'm here. So stay tuned, and more videos on the way.